can something invisible give everything in the universe its mass? On 4th July 2012, scientists announced the discovery of the Higgs boson, one of the biggest breakthroughs in modern physics. It confirmed that the Higgs field, first proposed in 1964, really exists. The Higgs field is an invisible quantum field that fills the entire universe. Unlike magnetic or electromagnetic fields, it doesn't produce forces we can see or feel. Instead, it interacts with fundamental particles and gives many of them their mass. The stronger a particle interacts with the Higgs field, the greater its mass. The weaker the interaction, the smaller its mass. Particles like photons do not interact with the Higgs field at all, which is why they have no mass and always travel at the speed of light. But what is Higgs boson? The Higgs boson, popularly known as the God particle, is a tiny disturbance in the Higgs field. Scientists cannot see the field itself, so they detected this disturbance instead. At CERN, scientists smashed tiny particles together at extremely high speeds and studied the collision debris. A unique pattern in those particles revealed the Higgs boson. The word boson honors the great Indian physicist Satyendranath Bose. In 1924, he published groundbreaking work describing a class of particles that came to be known as bosons. Nearly 90 years later, scientists at CERN discovered the Higgs boson, one of those particles. Without the Higgs field, most fundamental particles would have no mass. Atoms, stars, planets, and even we could not exist as we do today.